What items are prohibited on trains? Before you pack for the train, here's the blunt truth. Anything that can explode, ignite, poison, or seriously injure people stays home. Explosives are an absolute ban. Black powder, modern propellants, fireworks, signal flares, blasting caps, percussion caps, and any DIY mixes. Flammables are next. Gasoline, lighter fluid, camp fuel, paint thinners, propane or butane canisters, and large aerosol sprays. Weapons are tightly controlled or banned. Loaded or unloaded firearms, antique or replica guns, stun guns, and most knives beyond small folding tools. Don't bring corrosives or toxins, concentrated bleach, strong acids or alkalis, pepper spray in large sizes, or pesticides. Pressurized cylinders are risky. Medical oxygen may require pre-approval, while most other gas bottles are refused. Oversized or hazardous sporting gear, fuel-burning stoves, chainsaws, crossbows won't fly. Lithium batteries belong in carry-on only. Protect spare cells and respect airline-style size limits. When in doubt, check your carrier's list before you roll.